Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making one big chocolate cookie. This is a bakery-style chocolate cookie, and you can trust me when I say that, as I owned a bakery for over a decade. So I know you're going to love this soft and fudgy big chocolate cookie. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Add 28 grams of softened butter, 57 grams of dark brown sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract to a mixing bowl. Mix together with a spatula until the butter and sugar are completely combined and there's no butter chunks. Add in 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I'm using this in place of eggs, which makes this cookie super soft and fudgy. And you don't even taste the pumpkin because the chocolate flavor totally masks it. So if you don't like pumpkin, don't worry, you still want to add the pumpkin in. Next, add in 50 grams of all-purpose flour, 14 grams of Dutch cocoa powder that's been sifted, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix together until a stiff cookie dough forms. Last, add in 2 ounces of chopped dark chocolate. You can also use chocolate chips if you prefer. Mix together, and then your cookie dough is ready to be formed into one big chocolate cookie. Just use your hands and form it into a large disc that's about 4 inches in diameter. I like to add some extra chocolate chips on top. This part is totally optional, but it makes it extra chocolatey, which I love. I'm just baking this on a quarter sheet pan that's lined with parchment paper because it's small. If you only have a half sheet pan, you can also use that too. Bake at 375 degrees for 16 to 20 minutes or until the middle looks set and the edges look dry. The best thing about this big chocolate cookie is you can underbake it as much as you want if you like really super gooey cookies, because this is free of eggs. I love topping this bakery style cookie with flaky sea salt right when it comes out of the oven. This part is optional, but I believe it makes it just perfect because it has that perfect combination of sweet and salty. I hope you enjoyed this bakery style cookie coming to you from someone who owned a bakery for over a decade. If you want more baking recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.